Fluxaxis began as the R&D department for Stage 1. Stage 1 realised that there was a lot of business in the additive space, so they decided to break away and make Fluxaxis its own company.
The advantage that Fluxaxis have is we have a Stratus F900 and a Stratus Fortis 900, the Massivit 1800 and then the HP multi-jet fusion. There's nobody else in the UK that has all these machines all under one roof. We have people like Jake and Simon who've been in this industry for around about 7 or 8 years. So we've got a lot of experience. We know how to use the machinery that we've got, and we also know how to work with files. If something's not right, we know how to advise the customer to change the files to do this, which will make it better or make it cheaper. So the knowledge that we have within Fluxaxis really sets us apart. The team really does set us apart.
The two scanners we've got the Handyscan 700 and the Steinbeckler as well.
The Scenic Department is absolutely amazing. We can take something that's 3D printed and we can make it look like anything. We can make it, if somebody wants it to look like a piece of wood or a piece of marble, because of the guys that we have in the Scenic Department, they can come up with something that's totally different. Some of the artists that we've worked with, the results have been absolutely amazing. We did the David and Goliath project for Jam Sutton, which was 1.2 metres high, had a lot of detail in there, and then it was finished off in a really nice bright pink colour. All these engineering companies, they're all using jigs, fixtures, measuring tools. Sometimes they can be waiting a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, even months to create some of these jigs and fixtures. Whereas with 3D printing, we can turn those around within days, if not hours, and we can also turn them around at a fraction of the cost. So I think what we need to do, or the challenge that faces the 3D printing industry, is educating people to how they can use this technology. But it's there, and all these companies are going to be able to use it. The marketplace is only going to get bigger. Fluxaxis aims to be one of the major players within this industry. We've already positioned ourselves, and as we go along, that position again will only get bigger.